Testing thermostat calls requires watching the control board LED indicator to catch intermittent faults as they occur. When diagnosing thermostat call issues, start by confirming power and signal integrity. Measure voltage at the thermostat and at the furnace or air handler control board while a call is made, ensuring the common and power leads read the expected voltage and that any changes occur without delay. Check the 7-segment or indicator display on the thermostat for latency or error codes, and compare display behavior to physical terminal voltages so you can correlate a stuck relay with a faulty user interface. Observe the control board LED indicator during calls. Many boards flash unique patterns for high-limit trips, shorted outputs, or failed communications, so refer to the equipment manual for exact codes. Use a meter with a min-max capture or a data logger if the fault is brief or intermittent, and record waveforms or transient drops to identify bouncing relays, poor connections, or shielding issues on long runs. When testing, simulate worst-case conditions by placing the thermostat in both heating and cooling modes, and by forcing fan operation and staged calls to reveal sequencing problems. Document each step and the corresponding terminal voltages. For systems with electronic control modules, inspect ground connections and watch for voltage sag during compressor or inducer motor starts, since weak power can manifest as intermittent failures in the control electronics. 3 common mistakes are relying solely on the thermostat display without measuring terminal voltages, which can be solved by always confirming calls at the control board with a meter. Neglecting loose or corroded wiring connections, which is resolved by cleaning, tightening, and installing new connectors or ferrules where needed. And failing to monitor the control board LED or capture transient voltage drops, which is corrected by using an oscilloscope, min-max meter, or data logger to observe real-time behavior during repeated call cycles. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors for accurate diagnostics and repairs, helping match the right specialist to intermittent thermostat and control board issues. The site also helps contractors find consistent work by listing projects, ratings, and direct customer leads tied to specific service needs.